All right, so from day 6, we're going to just do the first question here, just a review of graphing. Okay. So number 1 asks us to graph y equals log base 2 of x minus 3 plus 1. And we know we can use our calculator to help us do that as long as we know how to type it in. And so we're going to change it into a division problem where log of x minus 3 will be on top, log of 2 will be on the bottom, and the plus 1 gets tacked onto here to the end. All right. Remember, all log curves kind of look the same, where the asymptote is the y-axis unless there's a shift. And in this one, there is a shift, okay? So this number here, grouped with the x, is left or right, and it's the opposite of what we think. So this is actually 3 to the right, and this plus 1 is 1 up. Okay, so if our asymptote is normally the y-axis and there's a shift of 3 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, our asymptote will now be located here. All right, so either put a highlighted line or a dashed line or a highlighted dashed line, doesn't matter to me. Okay, and now if we go to our table in our calculator, once the equation's in y equals, we'll copy down some nice points to plot. I'll include that one. At 3, there's an error, so that makes sense because that's where my asymptote is. 4, 1's a nice point. 5, 2 is a nice point. 7, 3 is a nice point. 11, 4, that might fit. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So 4, 1. 5, 2. 7, 3. 11, 4. And the next point would be 19, 5, but I don't think 19 will fit on here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nope, only goes up to 17, so that's good. So we'll go ahead and connect our dots with a nice smooth curve that goes to the right and slightly up. And going towards the left, we're going to get closer and closer to our asymptote, not touch it though, and go down. All right, and they didn't ask us any questions about this graph, and so we're finished this one. All right, just a few points to point out if they asked. Your domain furthest to the left is 3, farthest to the right is infinity. Okay, and you don't touch 3, and so that's why it's round. If they asked about the range, lowest it goes is negative infinity, highest it goes is positive infinity, or all reals. Okay. The equation of your asymptote, because it's a vertical line, VUX, VUX, it's x equals, and it's going through 3. Some other things they might ask about end behavior. Okay. They might say as x approaches infinity, your y values on this end here are going up, so infinity. Down here, they might say as x approaches 3, your y values are going down to negative infinity. Okay, I don't know what else they would ask about your graph, but those are the major ones that we have to know. Okay, I will see you guys on day 7 notes, and we're going to do the 2 questions on the back side.